Welcome back to Shah Sir Classes and Evershine Coaching Center. I am Shah Faisal Sir here. My dear students, this is the video for those students who are studying in 2nd PUC Karnataka State Board. I hope most of the students are here who are finding difficulty to study 2nd PUC Business Studies. And also they may are finding difficulty, so the syllabus is so huge, the topics are so more, how we can cover in a small interval of time the entire syllabus as the exam is approaching in a short period of time. So my dear students, so Evershine Coaching Center has brought the test series for the academic year so that the students can easily pass the upcoming board exam with the high scoring marks. So this test series contains all your passing package questions, scoring package questions, but here we have designed this program in such a way that you people can start studying from minimum to maximum marks, and these are the 100% assured questions for your upcoming board exam. Do not miss this opportunity, and also please go through these all questions. Done. And make sure that you are going to study each and every question from all our upcoming test series, and we have already done for the previous subjects like economics, computer science, okay, and shortly we are going to do for the other subjects also. So do watch our YouTube channel, keep watching, take care, wish you all the best of luck. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, kindly do subscribe it and click the bell icon. Thank you, take care, wish you all the best of luck.